everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download the Sims mobile application on your Android phone. The process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open your Play Store. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in Sims Mobile or TSM and search. Look for this application from Electronic Arts and tap on Install to begin downloading the app on your Android, which will take a couple of minutes. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and if you are, you will be able to download the application even faster. Wait for the app to download and install, and after a couple of minutes, once it is done, tap on Play and start playing the Sims mobile game on your Android phone. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.